Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your PC meets basic requirements and gathering language packs. First, make sure Windows 10/11 or Mac OS is updated. Outdated OS can block the app. Next, install Google Chrome or the Google Translate app for desktop if available, because Chrome provides the most reliable offline support. Finally, check storage. Download about 200 MB per language. You want enough space to store multiple languages. Once done, you'll be ready to fetch language files and configure offline. Now download the actual language pack so Translate works without the internet. Open Google Translate, or in Chrome go to the Translate settings, then select Languages and tap Download next to each language you need. Start with your primary languages to save time, then add secondary ones as needed, since each pack is about 200 MB. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection because files can take 1 to 10 minutes depending on speed. After the downloads finish, make sure the app lists them as available offline. To finish, enable offline mode so your PC uses downloaded packs rather than the web. In Translate settings, toggle offline or set downloaded languages as priorities. This ensures faster, private translations. Test with a short phrase and try text-to-speech to confirm pronunciation works locally. If translations fail, clear the app cache, delete and re-download the problematic language pack. Then restart the app. This resolves most corruption or incomplete download issues. If problems persist, confirm OS permissions for storage and microphone are granted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.